Fine, so good evening to all. In addition to the existing batch of an inter and final, I can see that there are many other people, many students, I'll say my own students, have joined, and many of you might be the newcomers in the field of CMA, those who have recently joined the foundation. So for them, uh, it was very much necessary. Obviously, my existing students of inter and final, those who are about to appear in the next examination, for them also the Krisha would be the right person. And there are other students also. I have planned in the next week, every week there would be one past student of us who is now successful CMA working in some good company would be coming and communicating with you, and obviously they will be sharing their own experience so that you can grasp something out of them and change your own future. So that is the only purpose why I invited Krisha, and I know that she has some busy schedules, but sir to kaam sir direct. So whenever I ask, she or any of my past student will love to come and join. And कभी सास भी है, कभी बहू थी, तो उसको पता है कि what is an importance of guidance to any student at any level, maybe at foundation, maybe at intermediate, or maybe at a final level. So the guidance, and see, at an cap, no, it's not never in one-way communication. So there is no rule that you cannot unmute yourself. There is no rule that you cannot start your video. It would be more better if you can start your own video. So it seems like I'm talking to someone. I'm not talking to only few people. So I request that those who are comfortable with their videos, starting their cameras, please do it. And this won't be only one-way communication where the Krisha would be keep on speaking, I would be keep on speaking, you are just listening to it. That is something which works in television or in a radio. This webinar are sort of things where we communicate, we ask questions, and she would be answering to the best of her knowledge that what she did, what you should do, obviously what you should not do, that is again even more important. So that is the only purpose why I invited Krisha. Krisha, you when you cleared, which year you cleared?
2016.
2016, she became an CMA with All India 10th rank. That is a kind of a great achievement. In the same batch, we got All India 5th rank, All India 10th rank, and All India 45th rank, I think, in the out of one batch. And there's so many other people who cleared, but rank के वजह में थोड़ा थोड़ा रह गए थे. And I'm telling you this. See, Krisha, in a school, probably might be getting a rank of first 1 to 5. Krisha, क्या number आता था school में?
Second, third.
Second, third. So it is not okay. Always when you are a ranker, you can become a ranker. You need to have a strong determination, proper planning, stick to that plan, and that is how you can become a ranker. Also, it's not a big deal. And I'm telling you, मैंने बहुत बार जब मेरे को सब मिलने आते हैं, बहुत सारे आप में से पहली बार जब ज्वाइन किया था तभी भी मिलने आते थे, तभी भी मैं आपको यही चीज रिपीट करता था that in the whole syllabus you won't find anything that is something you are not able to understand. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होगा जो आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा. The only thing is it's a bit bulky, so you have to plan it properly. Every topic, everything you need to plan properly, and then you need to read it. Then you need to plan for a revision. Then planning for a revision in examination days. Planning for appearing in examination. हर पेपर अच्छा नहीं जाएगा, कोई अच्छा जाएगा, कोई बुरा जाएगा. Again, you need to have a focus on your examination. So these are the small things. That is what I personally believe that अगर हर एक छोटी छोटी चीज पे ध्यान रखोगे ना तो ही बड़ी अचीवमेंट मिलती है. ऐसा नहीं होता है और ऑफ सडन रातना माताजी सपनाમાં આવશે ને તમને આશીર્વાદ આપીને જતા રહેશે. If you are believing in that sort of theory, then I think you are in a wrong field. Not just that, again, studies altogether different thing, and getting an achievement in your career, that is again altogether a different thing. So being a successful is always a very subjective term. For me, something successful is different than what Krisha might be thinking that being a successful. So again, being a successful is very subjective. So don't stick to anything. You decide what you want to do in your future. Not just that, along with it, who is joining CMA, please keep this in your mind that this is not a pension plan which you have joined. So CMA होने के बाद कोई गवर्नमेंट में से पेंशन नहीं मिलने वाला, हर महीने आपको 60,000 डिपॉजिट हो जाएंगे, वो सारी चीजें नहीं होती है. Obviously, they depend upon your own ability, skill, dedications, and everything. Right? So मेरे को तो आप सुनने ही वाले हो 3-3.5 साल तक, जो लोग ने अभी नया ज्वाइन किया है. एंड फाउंडेशन वाले 6 महीने के बाद मेरा लेक्चर सुनते रहेंगे, इंटर वाले 2-2.5 साल सुनेंगे, फाइनल वाले 1-1.5 साल सुनते रहेंगे, लेकिन Krisha won't be available that easily. So let's invite her, and I must request her that you please share your knowledge, throw some lights on us, or
Thank
you
you,
can
sir.
tell us that how we can improve again.
Thank you for giving this opportunity, sir. A very good evening, one and all present here. So I have cleared my CMA in 2016. I joined CMA in 2014. And because I was already graduated in 2014, I directly did inter and final. So welcome to the prosperous career. So CMA, I know you sometimes you think that it is not very popular like CA. So it is not like that. Once you are conceptually clear, when your fundamentals are strong, then it's easier for to prosper your career. So don't worry about that. The scope is very wide enough for the CMA students. So you are on the right track of being or having a very prosperous career. So I joined in 2014. For inter, I gave separate groups. So group 1 individually in the month of December and group 2 in the month of June next year. So, and in final, I gave both the groups together. So strategy for giving one single group at a time or giving 2 groups at a time will be very different. So if you are giving one group at a time, then it's little easier for you to prepare for the single group examination. And so strategy which I and my friends, those who have got rank, we used to follow. We used to make our own notes. So what we used to do, we used to take one subject, one chapter, and then we used to summarize it. So we used to summarize in very crisp manner. For example, one topic is having 5 subtopics. So as you know, our courses are very lengthy. So one topic is having 5 subtopics. Then we used to prepare a note for that one topic, having 5 subtopics written under the same. And those 5 subtopics will be explained in one wholesome manner. So one sentence describing the whole concept of that subgroup. And we used to read those notes only before the day of exam and for the revision part also. So we have read our books only once, that time only for the preparation of the notes. And then we have always gone through the concept. So the best factor of the CAP Academy was we were very clear with our concepts. We never wanted to return to our books. We were very clear with our concepts. So we used to revise our concepts, and then we used to work on the same, and then we used to practice. So it is very important for you to fundamentally be clear, because the same thing will be required in your career when you will apply for job, and when you will get the job, then only your conceptual understanding will matter. So don't run for the marks. I know getting good marks and passing in single attempt is very important, because based on the same, if you will pass in the single attempt, then the benefit will be that you will be shortlisted for many companies when you will go for placements. So some of the companies have the placement criteria as if you have cleared CMA in single attempt, then they will give you preference. So try to clear it in the single attempt. Give your 100% for preparation of the exam. And the more difficult part was giving 2 groups in at a time. So you have continuous 8 days of exams. And it's not like that you don't have to sleep in. So if you will not sleep and you will work hard on the days of exams as well, then you might not be able to perform, because if you are half asleep and you are not in mood, then you might not be able to write good things in your exam. So better take rest, take 6 hours of sleep in your exam days also, and refer your crisp notes only. So that's my suggestion. And we used to write some formulas for the statistics part and all those part. We used to write our formulas. And uh, if you have attended any of the lectures of standard costing of Siddharth sir, then you don't have to learn the formulas. From the very conceptually only you will able to remember the formulas. So go for the concepts and not for the just reading and learning part. Sir, any interventions?
So I told her not to give any tarif of mine. Then it seems like a promotion. But then see, Krisha, you are not supposed to give any taste anymore in your cap. So મારી તારીફ કરવાથી તારા માર્ક્સ વધારે આવી જશે. હવે એવું નથી થવાનું.
नहीं sir.
Fine.
नहीं, I'm not here for any promotion thing. I'm just sharing my experience because I know how tough it is to give CMA exams. Like it is continuous 4 days or 8 days in a row. You don't get enough sleep because you are very hypertension. Your hypertension increases as the days passes. And if one of the exams is not gone good, then it will affect the other papers as well. For example, if your second paper has not gone well, then it might affect the psychological impact will be there on the third and fourth paper. So once, never recheck your paper. Never try to analyze that whether you have attended it correctly or not correctly. Just forget. Once you are out of the classroom after giving your exam, just forget about that exam and prepare for the next. Never look behind. So if you look behind and again try to rematch your answers that whether it's correct or not, then it might affect psychologically on the next 2 papers or 1 paper, whichever papers are left.
So Krisha, there are few students, I think, who recently after 12th examination are willing to join CMA or have joined CMA or thinking of joining CMA, and many would be like me also, that kind of the person who even after 12th when I joined CA, I was having no idea that what a chartered accountant does. So I was thinking that the chartered accountant would be the person who might be posted somewhere in a NASA and then I might get a chance to go to the Mars. So that was what my thinking was. Because see, when I was studying the 12th commerce, one of my friend's father was a chartered accountant and he thought that I'm good in accounts, I'm good in costing and all that. So you should throw him into this help called a chartered accountancy course. And my father was always happy to do that. Let him throw to the help. And that is how I came to this CA foundation. And then obviously, when you don't know what is your vision, obviously you're not going to succeed. So in a CA foundation, I didn't able to clear. But one thing was very sure. I understood that what a chartered accountant does, but it took my 3 years to understand it. Then I completed my BCom, and then after BCom, again I rejoined chartered accountants course, and then I completed it. So therefore, Krisha, I would like you to tell this new student who just entered into the field of CMA that what a CMA does in any organization, so that they can have some idea that what should be your vision whenever you are studying any subject. No, see, up to 12th, I don't know what mindset it was. Still, I have no idea in the 10th examination या फिर 9th 10th में या 6th में जो हमें आता था a square plus b square क्यों था, God knows. Why there was in chemistry, we have no idea. I was very bad into it. Why? Because there was no reasoning behind it that why the hell I need to study this, how I'm going to use this trigonometry, sin theta, cos theta. Except someone is there who is explaining us that how you're going to use in a future, how it would be helpful to you in your future. So that is, I think, something which is must for any student to understand, that whatever subject you're going to study, whether you are in a foundation, whether you are in an intermediate, whether you are in a final, whatever subject you are understanding, what role it will have in your future whenever you are working in any organization. So you must first of all need to understand what a CMA does in any organization, how crucial his role would be in any organization. And I'm telling you this out of my experience. If a company have a bad chartered accountant, no, I'm not against a chartered accountancy course, then the company might not occur a loss because a chartered accountant probably would be doing an accounting job. So he would be doing an accounting. So there would be some wrong accounting entries, which could be very well rectified at the internal audit level or at a statutory audit level.
Yes.
But when it comes to a cost accountant who is very poor in costing, the company would be at loss. And company may lead to a situation that it has to get shut down. So the role of the cost accountant in any company, and in today's global market where the whole world is a market, competition is quite a bit high. And after this pandemic, I can see the growth of our country like anything for next 10 years, where there would be a requirement of a good cost accountancy. Always I'm telling that it is not a cost accountant or the chartered accountants which economy require. The economy require good cost accountant, good chartered accountants. Now, whatever it field would be, whatever you are doing, I don't care what the hell you are doing, but whatever you are doing, you should do with 100%. So अभी जब हमें ना रोड पे खड़े होते हैं और रिक्शा भी पकड़नी होती है ना, तो we need to have good one. टूटी फूटी खटारा कचरे वाली भरी हुई होगी, उसमें हम नहीं बैठेंगे. जिसका ड्राइवर गंदा होगा, कपड़े भी गंदे होंगे, वो वाली नहीं सिलेक्ट करेंगे. हम वो वाली सिलेक्ट करेंगे जो रिक्शा एकदम नीट एंड क्लीन है. घर पे अगर माली रखना है तो भी हमें अच्छा चाहिए, घर हमें कलर कराना है तो भी अच्छा चाहिए. आप समझ रहे हो ना? सो तो nowadays the companies also need a good cost accountant. They don't care the amount that they might need to pay you officially, because I'm recording all the sessions. I don't want to disclose the package and everything of Krisha, but I know the kind of growth she has. She became cost accountant in 2016, and in 2016, after clearing it, she joined L&T in this campus interview. She cracked it and she joined L&T. So whatever salary she was getting in this L&T, currently she is getting more than 3 times of it, almost 3 times in 4-5 years. So the growth is very subjective. Growth depend on you. There are doctors giving medicine for 30-50 rupees, and there are doctors like in banker also who take 50,000 for an appointment. So it's purely on you. So Chris, I want you to tell that what would be the role of a cost accountant in any organization, so that the students have that clear vision in their mind कि ये मेरे को इसलिए पढ़ना है और ये इसलिए मुझे जरूरी है. So can you tell us what you are doing?
So all the subjects are important. It's not like that कि operation research will not be useful because you are not from the scientific background. It will not be used. Economics will not be used. Nothing is like that. All the subjects will be useful in your future whenever the time occurs. At the right time, your right knowledge will get triggered. So for example, if I'll take my case. So our company, when I joined, had only 2 cost accountants. One was already prior who has joined me, who was handling all the costing. And then I joined in internal audit. So the difference is you don't have only career options available in costing. You have multiple options. Once you become a cost accountant, there are so many fields which will open. So when I joined in internal audit. Then after internal audit, I was into systems audit. So ERP we were going to implement. So I used to audit that system. Then after the ERP person left, I was the ERP in charge. So I have implemented the ERP. And then I have also made some models for MIS purpose, then production planning models. So it's not like that you can work only in 1 or 2 areas. So I had very versatile portfolio. So all the subjects that I have learned are useful here, from the sequencing or PERT CPM, because I was monitoring the projects as well. So you see all the subjects as opportunity, because once you will have knowledge of all the subjects in future, whenever the time comes and you have to represent yourself, you can say that no, I have knowledge of this. Though it's a little bit, though I know we haven't studied PERT and CPM fully, but a part of it we have studied. So we are conceptually clear that what is PERT and CPM, how critical path is designed. So those things will be very helpful in your near future when you will join your job. So career opportunities are too much available, so don't worry about that. And so whatever CA can do, we also can do. So I have worked in GST audit as well, and GST material preparations for the internal purpose. All those things also I have done. Internal audit models and inventory control, raw material reconciliations, the whole core costing part. So there are many fields which you can select. So once you will read the subjects, that time you will get to know that which subjects are more fascinating to you. So the subjects you are more fascinated to, focus more on those subjects and try to build career in that direction. For example, information systems was one of my favorite subjects, and now I am into the IT field. So I am the ERP administrator of my company right now. So it's not like that you only have to go through the costing. It's not always like that you have to just look at the costing part. Because what happens, the benefit which I get was we are the only persons in the company who understand the costing part, because we have to do the costing. We understand the product making part, production process part, and we understand the GL impact part as well, because we have studied accounting as well. So we are the sole personas in the company who can understand the end-to-end cycle. If any CA has to go through, for example, our company's finance or accounts person has to implement the ERP, he will not be able to, because he will not be able to understand the whole production process, which we as a cost accountant can understand. And the production person obviously will not understand the chart of accounts and GL impacts. So we, being the moderator, we can understand the whole cycle, and we will be in the position to uh, uh, give more to the company. So that is the major benefits that I have seen in my career growth. That was the biggest advantage, because we were able to understand everything from the conceptualization, production process, making, what materials are consumed, how the overheads are allocated, where we can control the cost, and data representation, data analysis, which, for example, I have worked in MIS department as well, wherein we used to give different, we used to collect the information, we used to analyze it, prepare in the representation format, and present to the management. So that is called the MIS department, Management Information System, that you will study in your course. So therein, what we used to do, we used to analyze the data from both the perspective, from the production perspective. If the cost goes up, then there is something changed in the, either in the price or in the production components, product mix components. So all those impacts only a CMA can understand, because they have knowledge of both the sides. So that will be an added advantage over all the courses that are available.
So, right, she's truly saying, see, just try to understand what kind of subjects which we have, starting within foundation up to the final. It's not that all the subjects are different subjects. Okay, bhai, इंग्लिश लिटरेचर पढ़ाई में आता है, फिर ऑल ऑफ सडन सोशल साइंस पढ़ाई में आ गया, फिर ऑल ऑफ सडन केमिस्ट्री आ गया. दैट इज नॉट हैपनिंग. व्हाट आर द कोर एरियाज? इट्स एन अकाउंट, costing, taxes, which I said, direct tax, indirect taxes, and other laws. This is a core area which we are understanding. And obviously, in nowadays, you have to get updated with yourself when it comes to understanding the MIS and all these things. So you should be very familiar with the knowledge of the computer. You have to be. So that is the must thing. Even a normal accountant, if I need to hire in my firm, then I must ask him that. I ask him that, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Tele average. If he's not comfortable, then no one is going to hire you, obviously. So that is a basic requirement. In addition to it, what we are studying, account. So why a cost accountant learn account? So that he can extract the data out of account, and extracting a data requires an understanding of an account. अगर आपको account आता नहीं है तो आप कौन सा data extract करोगे, क्या पता है आपको? So for that we are understanding an account. Costing is our core area, so that is something which is must. Then taxes. Why we are learning taxes? Please understand. Whether it's a direct tax or an indirect tax, improper planning of the taxes leads to the higher amount of tax, penalty, interest, which leads to a cost to the company. And we cannot afford to have a higher cost in this competitive environment. So therefore, the compliance when it comes to the costing is must. And that is again the case with all other similar laws, like in company laws, labor laws, related things, that you must understand these laws. So this is an area where we are keep on practicing for almost 3.5 years and become an expert. I'm not against an MBS. Even Krisha has done an BBA from MS University.
Yes.
So actually, अगर आप देखो ना तो BBA होने के बाद she should have joined an MBA, but she decided to join a CMA. So because BBA के बाद the presentable skills are obviously good. So MBA में जाके भी और presentable skill ही improve होती है, लेकिन technical skill improve नहीं हो पाती. So अगर आज हमें नवाजुद्दीन सिद्दीकी की एक्टिंग पसंद है, बिकॉज उसने एक्टिंग के कोर्स करके टेक्निकल खुद को इतना पावरफुल किया है, सो दैट इसके एक्सप्रेशन हमें पसंद है. Are you getting what I'm saying? ऐसा नहीं होता है ऑल ऑफ सडन आ जाता है हमें. अभी आपको मैं एक्टिंग करने को बोलूं तो नहीं आएगा, क्योंकि we are not habituated, we are not practicing. And I'm telling you this, I have started my career as a teacher in 2010. In 2010, when I took the first lecture of mine, I studied throughout in my schooling in a Gujarati medium. So first of all, speaking in English was the biggest task to me. Why? Because your mind has to first frame a sentence in Gujarati, and then it needs to get translated into English, and then your tongue has to get aligned with the speed of thinking of your mind, and then you need to speak. And if there is a gap between the thinking speed, translation speed, and speaking speed, the cheese spread cheese and those sort of things are going to happen. But that gradually don't take much time. Learning a language is not a big deal. So gradually I took over, and then in my first lecture, I'm telling you, it was a lecture of around 35 minutes, but I read for almost 6 hours. 6 घंटे पढ़ने के बाद I was able to deliver a lecture of only 35 minutes. And then I said that it's done for the day, because on the first day you can't say that it's a surprise taste. चलो, no, that is something you have to later on, अगर आपने पढ़ाई नहीं की है. बहुत बार ऐसा होता था जब मैं क्लास में पढ़ा था, कृषा और ये जो स्मार्ट लोग थे उनको पता चल रहा है यहाँ तक पढ़ के नहीं आया है. तो जब भी ऑल ऑफ सडन सरप्राइज स्टेज अनाउंस होता है तो वो भी समझ जाएंगे कि आज सर पढ़ के नहीं आया. I'm very honest into that. Whenever I'm not prepared, I prefer not to take a lecture. See, that is what we are also not God. And it is not that कि मुझे compliance करना. I need to ensure that when I'm teaching, I need to cover each and every smallest part of it. And that is what you must have observed. That I do not segregate between, when I'm teaching IDT, I do not segregate between the knowledge of an inter-level student and knowledge of final level student. Both the student would be sit together, and at the same level, both will understand. So that when you come in a final, you will able to again understand more in detail what I'm trying to say. So अगर आप 50% ही मेरा सुन रहे हो ना, तो it is more than enough than the other people who might be doing something else at somewhere else. तो आपका average performance would be much higher as compared to what other people's good performance. See, that is what in the CAP we always try to do. कि इतना उसके पीछे पड़ो कि उसका average performance भी ना all India rank जितना हो. आप समझ रहे हो? So that is not a big deal. I never got rank in my career, but I'm very happy that I produce ranker almost every year. So I may not be the king, but I'm king maker, है ना कृषा?
Very true. And sir, one more thing, sir, one more thing which I wanted to highlight. When I joined, there was only one CMA was there in the company. Then I joined, I was the second CMA, but I was not into the costing part. After my joining, we have appointed 3 CMAs. So once they will see your performance, they will also recognize the course and your community, the people of community who belongs to your institute. So they will recognize them as well. So other 3 students from our CAP Academy only have joined my company, as you know, sir. So they are also growing very well, and they still require 2 more cost accountants. So
this is what happens. See, when you are giving a good quality, obviously when I'm a chartered accountant and working in a company and my performance is very bad, then the comment of that management would be Ajna chartered accountant ma ke dum nathi. But where there is a cost accountant who is performing very good, and obviously the respect for the CMA would be more, and then the company would be looking for a CMA rather than, because that is more perfect in this competitive environment. I'm telling you, in most of the companies, I have seen that the post which actually should get occupied by the cost accountant as a cost controller is currently occupied by the chartered accountants. Why? Because the 90% of the syllabus are same. And because probably the institute is not able to market the course itself, there is no awareness of this course and people are not able to join it. And then there's in Vagadio Prava, because my friend is doing it, so therefore I'm doing CA. So that is what is happening. No, everyone is asking ना, अगर कुंज ने करवाना है तो राहुल ने पूछे, राहुल को करवाना तो CA में को करवाना है तो वो कर लो, बाकी छोड़ बीजू करिए. That is what is happening actually. वो लक्स पिक्चर में हटू ना जो ऋतिक बेला ने पूछेला तो आर्मी ज्वाइन करवानो है तो હું કરું નહીં તો કંઈક બીજું કરી આપે. So that is not going to work. It's an alone fight you need to do when you are working in a company. So Krisha now don't have any friend, now she has to perform alone. So it is not a joint hand. Don't be dependent on someone. Be focused, be clear that what you want to achieve in your life. Make some purpose to life. Give some purpose to life, that this is what I look myself after 10 years. And specifically girls, why I'm telling you Krisha in this batch, I'm taking this live lecture. All the students are girls. 90% are girls. In most of my live lectures, I am the only male. The rest are females. So that is the reason why I'm telling you. There is a fundamental, I am saying that deficiency in the minds of the girls, that they do not see themselves as in any managerial position, decision-making position. in any organization. I don't know why it is that you always look yourself that you're working someone under someone else, and then if someone is asking you to do something, and then you will be able to perform it. No, it's not the case. She is an example. Or next में जब हम वापिस से ऐसे बैठेंगे, she is not the last one. She is the first one. There is in Komal Agrawal. There is in Navjot Hundar. There are so many other girls. Those who are working in L&T currently, working in Reliance. तो वो सारी लड़कियों का specifically girls के बच्चों मैं हूँ तुम्हारे लिए लड़कों don't worry. So it's not a woman oriented classes, but this is the kind of thing which I have observed specifically in case of girl. You don't feel yourself infuriated. I know you are not probably feeling, but sometime back of in your mind you always feel that you have some limitation. It is not there. She is from Baroda. She is studying in Baroda. She is doing job in Baroda and probably earning more than me right now in Baroda. Remaining in Baroda. तो आपको कहीं पे मंगल पे नहीं भेजने वालों, कहीं आपकी सोशल लाइफ कुछ डिस्टर्ब नहीं होने वाली है. आपको अपने स्किल पे ध्यान देना है. You first of all have to make yourself so much powerful in the terms of marks, in the terms of knowledge, that someone from Baroda willing to hire you at your price. So the company since Krisha is working is not even able to think of leaving a Krisha. So that is a dependency which she has created. I know this because we always used to discuss that what we should do, what we should not do. So that is what I'm telling you. And see, boys, we have always a freedom of going anywhere. तो उनके लिए तो कोई लिमिटेशन है ही नहीं. और गर्ल्स के लिए भी आई डोंट सी एनी लिमिटेशन. एंड आई हैव सीन दैट मेरे पास एक्सपीरियंस से मैं 10-11 साल से पढ़ा रहा हूँ ना, तो बॉयज यू हैव टू वर्क हार्ड बिकॉज एवरी टाइम दिस अचीवमेंट्स आर बीइंग टेकन ओवर बाय द गर्ल्स. तो आया है पास परफॉर्मेंस इज समथिंग व्हिच इज देयर. बॉयज के रैंक उतने नहीं आए. 80% गर्ल्स गॉट ऑलवेज अ रैंक. तो अभी लास्ट बैच में ना, आई डोंट नो पता है नहीं पता, लास्ट बैच में एक लड़की थी, उसके मार्क्स लिखे थे आपने. त्रिशा कोई सब्जेक्ट एवो नहीं कि जब मैं 85 के नीचे मार्क्स 85 90 92 दरेक सब्जेक्ट्स में. एंड द गर्ल इज कमिंग फ्रॉम वेरी लोअर मिडिल क्लास. इंटरनी छोकरी है. 19 ऊपर मार्क्स दरेक सब्जेक्ट में. 89 90 89. These are the marks. आपके 10th में 12th में नहीं आते. तो I cannot even imagine myself into the school level getting this kind of marks. And this is one of the most toughest exam in India. And she is getting these marks. So I have no doubt about her career. But again, what happened? No, the moment you become CMA, then you throw away your reasons and everything. Don't do that. Obviously, उसके अलग सेशन होंगे. लेकिन आज I think Krisha, again I'll thank you for joining us. And next time जब वापस है ना, what I'll do, I invite all of you, Krisha, Komal, Navjot, मजरूल, सबको इनवाइट करूंगा एक ही बैच में. तो वो लोग फिर तुम्हें 2 घंटे के लिए ना ये हैमरिंग करते रहेंगे. एंड दैट इज समथिंग व्हिच इज नीडेड बिफोर योर एग्जामिनेशन. मैं इनके इंजेक्शन देता रहता हूं. नाउ इट्स योर टाइम. पेशा अभी तुम्हारा टाइम है. मेरी नहीं सुनते अभी ये लोग, तो फिर तुमको बुलाना पड़ता है.
टेक एवरीथिंग एज फन, क्योंकि लर्निंग इज फन. मतलब मैं अपने बात कर रही हूँ, मेरे लिए तो लर्निंग वाज ऑलवेज फन. ये लोगों को पता नहीं, पर हम लोग तो फुल डे तक क्लास में रहते थे सर. फुल डे हमारे लेक्चर्स होते थे, क्योंकि हमारे दोनों ग्रुप्स थे. तो जब आपने फर्स्ट बैच था हमारा, जब हमने दोनों ग्रुप स्टार्ट किया था, आपको याद हो तो वी वर द फर्स्ट स्टूडेंट्स जिनका हमारा दोनों ग्रुप का प्रिपरेशन आप करवा रहे थे हमसे. तो वो हमारे लिए तो काफी फन था, क्योंकि हम पूरा दिन वहीं पे स्पेंड करते थे. वहीं पे सर लोगों ने हमें बहुत गाइड किया है. वैसे मैं प्रमोशन नहीं करना चाहती हूँ, पर एक्चुअली दैट इज द ट्रूथ. एंड सर को मैं पर्सनल में बहुत तारीफ करती हूँ.
उसीलिए मुझे मैं डायबिटीज मेरे को होने की तैयारी में. आई रिमेम्बर दैट डे, द डे बिफोर द रिजल्ट ऑफ दिस Krisha and Komal. So they made me in conference call and both were worried कि सर पास थे इशू के नहीं. And I don't know what happened to me, and I told that कल आने दे, you will change the whole world. And that is what exactly happened. No one ever got this many ranker in a single batch पिछले 50 साल में. हाईएस्ट रिजल्ट उस बैच में था. एंड एवरी टाइम देन इट बिकम अ लेगेसी. जब से फाउंडेशन हमने स्टार्ट किया, वी आर ऑलवेज गेटिंग इन 100% रिजल्ट. तो देन आज के दिन में भी फाउंडेशन में जब से स्टार्ट किया तब से 100% रिजल्ट आ रहा है. सो दैट द क्रेडिट डोंट जस्ट गो टू द टीचर्स. आई से दैट द क्रेडिट गोस टू द स्टूडेंट्स आल्सो. माय रोल और द एनी टीचर्स, वेदर इट्स मी और वेदर इट्स एन अतुल सर, वेदर इट्स एन Mona ma'am, whomsoever it would be, or even Mona was our past student. So she know exactly what kind of grooming is required for a student. Student don't need each and every spoon feeding. the role of a teacher would be just to guide you that why the hell you joined this.
Yeah.
So you don't forget the purpose, which the determination with which you have joined, the determination with which you have paid fees to me. Over a period of time, no, it goes away. So the purpose of a teacher would be just to remind you that why the hell you joined and what you are looking, how you are looking yourself after 10 years. जोमेटो में देख रहे हो खुद को, स्विगी में देख रहे हो, या जोमेटो और स्विगी के एमडी लेवल की पोजीशन पे देख रहे हो. सो उतना ही डिफरेंस रहता है.
नहीं सर, आपकी फीस तो मेरे एक क्वार्टर की सैलरी में ही एडजस्ट हो गई थी.
Fine. So if anyone has any question, then you are free to ask. Otherwise, आने जवाब दिया है काम से. Anyone, feel free to ask any question. No, final वाला.
Questions.
Yes. If anyone final wala, inter wala, foundation wala, in case if you have any doubt, you are free to ask. That is the only reason why she is here. कृतिका ने भी क्वेश्चन है. पायल તારે પૂછવું છે?
ના સર.
પછી તમારો વારો આવશે ફ્યુચરમાં આવો. I'm expecting કે yeah, everyone from you. Anyways, fine. આ બધા થોડીક શરમાર બેચ છે તારામાં, તમારા બધા જેવા નથી. આ લોકો મારે ચૂપ કરવા પડતા હતા કે please your mouth. Then they will shut. Anyways, thank you Krisha again for coming in guidance this kids.
Sir, you don't have to say thank you.
It's now you are a CMO, so
it's an opportunity for us.
You are at par now.
અહીંયા opportunity મળે છે that we can connect to our community. બીજે અમે generally જ્યાં અમારા
now that is a role. That is a role of any. See, when we started, no, આજે જેટલા લોકો છે ને એનાથી પણ ઓછા CMA માં હતા, એનાથી પણ ઓછી awareness હતી. There is, I remember there are so many schools, there are so many coaching classes where I went myself, and being a chartered accountant, I have promoted the CMA course. That people should join, and specifically those who are coming from a middle class, because that is where I am coming from. I used to go to this HM library by walking, so I'm coming from that background. So I know that for a kid who is coming from middle class, or the person on whom the responsibility of earning is going to come very soon, we cannot afford to have 6-7 years. We need to finish as early as possible, and we need to start learning, and we need to start earning. So for them, this is a kind of the great course with the lowest amount of fees, I am telling you, as compared to the MBAs, as compared even to the BBA. उसके आधे पैसे में ये खत्म हो जाता है. So please
and
be focused for next 2 years. हाँ.
सर जेटला पण हमारी बैच ना, जेटला पण कॉस्ट अकाउंटेंट्स, जितने भी कॉस्ट अकाउंटेंट्स हमारी बैच के थे, everybody is working in different field. Everybody is working. So for example, when Komal joined, she joined in GST. Now she is working with SAP. So she is a SAP functional consultant. Then Navjot, when she joined, she was in the costing costing part only.
She was in Reliance.
Cost controller. Then Deepak, when he joined, he is as a project controller. When I joined, I was internal auditor. Now I am also into the system administration part.
So see, the field are very open. So you please for next 2 years can change your life. So that is the reason why again and again I'm telling you, these are the 2 years which will change your life.
Just give your 100% to yourself and to your studies, and learn it with the fun. If you learn it with fun, then only you will be able to go on a long run.
ફનમાં તો હું કઈ બાકી નથી રાખતો આ લોકોને. એટલે એટલો કંટાળી જઉં છું હવે છોકરીઓ વચ્ચે, એટલું મને તકલીફ છે, એટલે મારા માટે કંઈક મારે કરવું પડશે.
કેમ કે કન્સિસ્ટન્સી તો જ આવશે જ્યારે તમે એને એઝ અ ફન લેશો. ઇફ યુ વિલ સ્ટાર્ટ ગેટિંગ કે ક્યાં ભણવાનું છે, આવું છે, તેવું છે, તો થોડીક મજા ઓછી થઈ જશે. અને કન્સિસ્ટન્સી તૂટશે, એના કરતા બેટર છે સી ઇટ એઝ અ ફન અને કન્સિસ્ટન્સી રાખવાની ભણવામાં.
Scheduling is very important.
Scheduling is very important. અમે વીકલી સ્કેડ્યુલ બનાવતા હતા કે આ વીકમાં આ દિવસે આ સબ્જેક્ટ, એક વીકની અંદર 3 સબ્જેક્ટ લઈએ, और 2 દિવસ એક સબ્જેક્ટને આપીએ, તો એક લિંક રહે, તો એક ચેપ્ટર કે એક પાર્ટ કોઈક પતે. એવી રીતે વી યુઝ ટુ સ્કેડ્યુલ આખા મંથમાંથી વીક વાઇઝ સ્કેડ્યુલ, ડે વાઇઝ સ્કેડ્યુલિંગ કરતા હતા. અને કઈક મેચ
અને એવું પણ નતું, આઈ એમ ટેલિંગ યુ ઇન ફ્રન્ટ ઓફ હર કે એવું પણ નતું કે my behavior to this people who got rank was like na વાંચો. There is no one in a classroom કે જે આ રેન્કર માંથી કોઈ પણ નથી એવું કે જે કદાચ ના રોયું હોય because of my firing. but that is something make મને ગુસ્સો આવીને મારી પર ગુસ્સો કરીને વાંચતા હો તો વાંચો પણ વાંચો મને એનાથી મતલબ ભણો I am concerned with that મને બતાવવા માટે વાંચો મારી પર ગુસ્સે થઈને વાંચો મને ગાળો દઈને વાંચો મને સારું લગાડવા વાંચો I don't care what is there in your mind I am concerned with your studies I am concerned with your career these 3 years you will do what I want you to do and the remaining life is yours do whatever you want to do right
ક્યારેક એવું પણ થાય કે ડિમોટિવેટ થઈ જાય કેમ કે બહુ સ્ટ્રેસ થઈ જાય એન્ડમાં જ્યારે બંને ગ્રુપ સાથે આપવાના હોય ને અઠવાડિયા પહેલા બે
that is bound to
અઠવાડિયા
happen
પહેલા તો એટલો બધો સ્ટ્રેસ લેવલ વી યુઝ ટુ ક્રાય ઓલ્સો સમટાઈમ્સ
there is even in an exam center these people have cried કે હું ફેલ થઈશ બોલો અને પછી રેન્ક લઈ આવે એટલે તમને એવું થાય કે યાર લોકો નાટક કરતા શું હતું in an exam center these people have cried
Yeah. So
But
I
I'm
cried
not
in
feeling
tax
this.
management. I cried
Yeah,
in
I
tax
remember.
management
I
and I
remember
got 74 in that.
so this is going to happen anyways if no one of you have any doubt then we will conclude the session again Trisha this is not the last time you are coming again I would be telling you
Definitely, sir.
before hour પહેલા તને ઇન્ફોર્મ કરી દેશું એટલે પછી તારે બધું યાર કેન્સલ કરી નાખવાનું અને આવી જવાનું મારી પાસે કેપમાં
Anything for CMA and CAP Academy.
Thank you very much again we have a lecture at 6 o'clock we were supposed to have a lecture at 6 o'clock and the processing of this recording will take another 10 minutes so now we will be joining at 6:30 we are joining with the ITC provision of the GST for inter and final so again we are meeting at 6:30 fine take care of yourself thank you Krishna thank you very much
Thank
Bye-bye.
you. Bye, everyone. All the best.